Look, Great Smoky Mountain Railroad here. Got a steam engine. Surprise, 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 surprise. These guys are out here taking care of it. Getting ready to go on with our passengers somewhere, I guess. I sure didn't expect to see that today. Oh yeah. Man's got his job up there. I understand them things take a lot of extra maintenance to keep them running. They always did. See if we can get a closer look. 1702. There's the bell. Flag there. Got my finger in the way, don't I? Well, how about this? My lucky day. I didn't expect